Tremenda noticia, nuestra gente. La migra confunde a dos ciudadanos de Houston, Texas, pensando que son mexicanos. Y qué tremendo error el que cometen. Realmente es impresionante lo que está haciendo la migra en esos momentos, bajando a las personas de los aviones. Vean este video.
Do you have identification? Identify yourself.
Yo, you can?
How do you know this is him?
Because he just answered to his name. It wasn't that hard.
Why are you taking him off the plane?
Stop right now. Yeah,
You don't have to. You don't have to.
come here. This plane is not taking off until I am off the plane.
But why are you taking him off the plane? Are you?
Because we are going to verify that you are a citizen of this country. Look, dude, you're wearing a Mexico shirt. Don't try to hide it from this guy.
There's the name, please.
Yeah, I am allowed to do that. You guys all want to be late? You all want to be late on your flight? I don't think so.
¿Quieren ir retrasados en su viaje? ¿En su vuelo?
Why are you? I don't understand. Bro, why are you even wearing a mask?
I'm not talking.
¿Qué
How do we
dice?
even know that you're a real cop?
Let's go.
Hey, wait.
You're not just like that. Why would you
¿Por qué te lo estás llevando? ¿Por qué lo estás bajando?
I'm from San Antonio.
Great. Yeah. You have
Soy
any
de San
identification?
I do. But it's none of your business.
Bueno, vente conmigo también. Tú no eres de San Antonio.
You didn't even do anything.
Take both of you off the flight right
Voy a llegar a los dos.
You're gonna get charges.
I came in here for the touch.
Los dos los voy a bajar del avión.
You're like, you're pressing charges on me. That's really hard.
Two for the price of one.
Están haciendo target
Two for the price of
por el...
one.
¿Cómo se ve?
Yo, that's not okay, man. You can't say that. You can't say that. You can't say
Podemos ver
that.
toda la gente de oposición defendiendo
Hey, you grab me.
Wait.
No, you're big tough.
Back up. What are you doing? No, get out of here.
Identification.
I have. Okay, fine. I'll show you my
You just
ID.
grabbed my people.
I got arrested. I'm a U.S. citizen, and these guys want to put me away. They want to send me across the border. I was born here.
nacido acá.
San Antonio, Texas.
San Antonio, Texas.
Your dad was Mexican or something?
Yeah, my mom was.
Mi mamá es
But that shouldn't
mexicana.
matter. I was born here in the United
Yo
States.
nací acá.
Yeah, dude. Where's your wife?
They already took her.
La esposa
And she
es
was born
también
here too?
She
es
was born in
ciudadana.
the same place. Yeah.
Nacido en el mismo lugar.
Yeah. American
Sígueme.
citizen.
Dude, I'm
What's
so
happening?
sorry. I hope you can get a lawsuit
Voy a
or something.
demandarlo.
Yeah, I'm gonna